Alright guys, so we are here with ISEE Hair today. I'm going to go ahead and unbox her and just show you guys what all came inside of the packaging. You're going to get your hair, of course, and they do provide you with a wig cap so you can protect your hair before you put the wig on. Okay, so we do have their Malaysian hair. I have their straight bob lace front wig. It's a 13x4. It's 150% in density. Okay, I have a big head, so this definitely was big head friendly. You can cut access off of the lace if it's too big, which in my case that was the case. My head's not that big, but you know, it came with the standard 3 combs in the middle, 1 at the nape, and 2 drawstrings. And I'm just up close. I didn't have any problems out of the box with it smelling, with it tangling up, or just, you know, anything unnatural. Everything was normal. The hair was quite soft, buttery, and yeah, it was definitely thick from the root to the tip as well. I love that consistency. So today I want to try a new dye that I have from OVERTONE, and you guys know it's a semi-permanent conditioner, no bleach required. So it's like a conditioner mixed with color, all mixed in one, and you don't need to bleach your hair to use it. So this is their claims, this is what they're stating. So I said, why not give it a try? Y'all know bleaching takes a long time. Okay, it really takes a long time for me to do bleaching. It requires a lot of patience, and it's just sometimes it's just a hassle, and you just want to get the color without going through all of that. So I was like, okay, hey, why not try them? Why not? So this is the consistency of the dye. Just took my brush and just, you know, painted all over the wig. I said paint. Applied the color all over the wig. I didn't do anything in particular. Now I wasn't trying to be, you know, like making sure every strand was covered or whatever. I just wanted to, like, you know, just coat the hair with the color to see what it would do. I just wanted like a red color, but it didn't have to be like fully dyed all solid one color. That's not what I was going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over the wig. You guys don't forget to check out the description section below if you guys would like to know more about OVERTONE. Like I said, I've been seeing this being raved all throughout the community, and it's like a new dye on the market, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. So as we can see, this is what the results are looking like, and as you can see, it did tint it. So I would say this is more of a tinter, not a dye, unless you had a brighter color hair. I don't really feel like it changes the hair color. I just feel like it tints it, because as you see right now, far away, it just looks like black. It just looks regular color, but actually when you go out in the sun, it looks very, very burgundy. It has a burgundy hue to it, so that's great. If you guys are scared of color, I feel like this would be a good alternative, because you really can't see it, but you can, because I noticed a lot of people say, oh, is your hair red? You know, I got that more so when I went outside. I tried to catch a couple of clips where I was outside, but I couldn't get one. I just couldn't get it. It was just too much going on outside, so I wasn't able to get a clip of me being outside so you guys can see the hint or hue. But I'm just letting you guys know, when you go out in the sun, you can see the color more than if you were just under a low lighting setting. So I'm about to go in and install this unit. Now, one thing off the back, do not mind my makeup, no problem. This makeup has been on for a while, so it's not blended. I don't know what I was doing today when I was doing this video, but I did not blend my forehead out, and everything was just looking harsh, so don't pay that no attention. You can see when I'm gluing it down, you can see where they pre-plucked the, you know, just the edge portion. I feel like they could have took it back a little bit more, you know. But like I said, if I'm going to be wearing it down as, you know, a middle part, it's not, none of that is going to be seen. It's just only if, you know, you're going to be styling it. With this unit, very, very versatile. So you can do multiple styles and things of that nature. So yeah, and like I said, it's a 13x4 section for you to, you know, have fun, be creative. You can part it, you can braid it, you know, they give you enough room to be creative with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it down, and that will be all. Really, I don't do much to this unit. I really keep it simple for every day. I really love that this wig is very, very, very affordable. So it's a $70 wig, well, $71.50, but you know, rounded up $72. So basically $70. And I love it that it's affordable. Like, you can get a bomb quality wig for cheap, and this unit will last you for days. Let me tell you, not for days. Why did I say for days? For years, upon your proper care. So love it. You also can dye this hair. You can pretty much do whatever you would like with this hair. And I feel like for $70 you're getting bomb quality, because you know sometimes you got to be a little skeptical. Why is this hair so cheap? But you got to understand it's a shorter in length too, but they providing you with great quality. So I really love that it's very, very affordable. And guess what, sis? It's back to school time as well. So if you guys needing wigs for school, I feel like this one would be great. I know it's still hot in some parts of the universe, so this would be a great alternative as well, instead of longer units, because it's really hot and bobs just do that. So wanted to point out that this wig is very, very affordable, and the quality is just on fleek. I think I talk about other stuff too in the ending when I give the overall review, but y'all, this wig is just, it has moved to number 3 on my book for bobs, because it takes me a lot sometimes, y'all. It takes me a lot, but I'm really impressed with ISEE Hair. So that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check the description section below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. I'm telling you, once it's been stamped with my approval, you would never be disappointed. And that is that, period. And also, they did give you a middle part. I actually just took it out because I was trying to color the wig. So middle part came on deck already in the unit, so you don't have to worry about doing it yourself. I don't know if you guys seen that. I did put concealer on the part as well, because I don't do the bleaching and stuff anymore. I just take the lazy way out, to be honest. So yeah, let me know you guys' thoughts in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So we have reached the end of the video, and as you guys can see, my hair is bobbing. Okay, it's still bomb. I'm not even upset that the overtone didn't work. It didn't work as I would like it to work. Of course, it when you go out in the sun, you can see a hue or a hint of the red. So it's not too bad, you know, but I feel like overtone will work better with 613 hair or pre-bleach. So if I went ahead and bleached the unit beforehand and then apply a color, I think I would have better results than trying to see if it would, you know, change from black to that red. So yeah, it was worth the try. However, on this unit, y'all, this unit is so bomb.
this unit looks like it's relaxed. I don't know, but this unit looks like it's relaxed. Like, sis, it looks like I put a relaxer in this unit and I did not. I did not. Now I feel like that is just the texture of it. I can't say where the overtone contributed to the hair, you know, looking like this. I don't think it did. I know with the overtone dye and conditioner, it just made the hair extremely soft and it has a pleasant smell. So yeah, stoked about that. But overall, I didn't have any problems with this unit shedding on me, or I didn't have any problems with this unit tangling on me. So this unit turned out bomb.com. However, like I said, I know the unit was pre-plucked, but again, when you're wearing bobs, most of the time you're just making a middle part, so you don't really need to pluck it unless you're doing other styles. I love the length of this unit as well because it's a 14-inch and I'm able to what am I saying? I'm able to style it so I can put it up half do. I can put, you know, 2 top knot buns. I'm able to be very, very versatile with this unit. So overall, in general, I'm loving this unit. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget to click the description section below to check it out for yourself. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.